How's it going, everybody? Here to break one box of 2021 Topps WWE Chrome. Last year of Topps WWE Chrome for a bit, for sure, because Panini has it for a little while. So I opened up a couple boxes of this last year when it came out, and Black Friday, I got another box because they marked it down a little bit. I don't know what it was typically going for, but it was like $150. I thought that was a pretty good deal. So maybe that's what they're typically going for now, but I don't know. I wanted to get it because it's a nice looking set, and there really isn't much Panini stuff that I want to do right now. Chronicles I might get. I'm not sure. So I don't know. We'll see. But let's see how we do here. I had some pretty good luck with this in the past. I guess somewhat, like more so like in group breaks and stuff. Like I got good stuff in that, but like my boxes, I don't think I did like amazing. It's been a bit, but I have some decent stuff from it. I think I got a cross autograph, a green autograph. That might have been one of the best like autos I got, but I really can't remember. So let's see. Forget who's on this set. A Dexter Fractor. I think I might have one of those. Don't even really remember the checklist, but should be a lot of the names. Oh yeah, Velveteen's in this set. Riot, Five Timers Club, Oscar Refractor. Dexter, Raquel Gonzalez, Scarlet, Shotzi, Blackheart when she had a last name. Maybe she still does. I don't know. Just Topps Chrome, you can't go wrong with it. I'll take this any day over Prism, and Prism still looks really nice, but Kalisto, you don't work there anymore. John Cena, The Miz, Refractor. If I miss anything like numbered or image variation, let me know. Cal. I don't think I've gotten anything image variation. I want to say it says IV on the back. No, nothing so far. Christian makes his debut and MVP. Refractor. All right. I don't think I had this Christian one. Did you guys get anything for Black Friday? I didn't really see too much. Granted, I wasn't like exactly like scouring the web for stuff, but you know, these were a couple things that I saw that I wanted. So I got some other things too. Some Pokemon. You know, Bray Wyatt. I think we got another die cut Grand Metalik. Razor Moan defeats 123 Kid. And a Scarlet Refractor. We'll take that. No. I think I had those in your house ones. I had some of them. But here's Samoa Joe. He doesn't work here anymore. Maybe she'll come back. Kofi. And a Sheamus Refractor. I think I'm getting a bunch of new refractors, but it's been so long that I don't remember which ones I had and which ones I didn't have necessarily. Charlie Caruso. I think I have a gold of her, believe it or not. Kira Tozawa. Oh, man. What? An AJ Styles refractor auto. Yep, we'll always take that, man. A nice AJ Styles autograph. On card, we'll never say no to that. At a 199, 194. 199. Kind of see it. There we go. All right. And the refractor was Dolph Ziggler. So, yeah, not bad, honestly. I'll take an AJ Styles autograph, man. Natalia, Bobby Fish, Io Shirai, and a Billy Kay refractor. There's Aaliyah, Cameron Grimes, and a Sasha Banks refractor. I want to say the image variation on this, you can only tell from like the knee pad being like higher or lower or something. I don't know. It's so silly, but that's one I do remember being very weird. Don't think I've gotten any image variations yet, huh? No color yet either. Dakota Kai. We got a something. Nikki Cross at a 150. What do you call this? Aqua turquoise kind of thing. Not bad. Not bad. Take that. All right. All right. Big E. Oh, we got a green. Joe Dawkins. Mustafa Ali. Nice green auto to 99. And Kalisto refractor. We will take that. All right, not bad. I mean, it's fine. You know, it's colored auto. It is what it is. We can still get other color. Bobby Lashley. Andrade. He doesn't work there anymore. There's Morgan. Angelo Dawkins. Not an image variation. Nope. All right, MVP. John Morrison. Jabba Kato. Commander Aziz. And Chad Gable. Refractor. Candice LeRae. Bianca Belair. We got Lindsay Dorado refractor. And Xavier Woods. I want to say the Lindsay. Yeah, the Lindsay is a image variation. Yeah, when you get two, I forgot. That's what that meant. You know? All right. Roderick Strong. Here we got another color. Charlie Caruso green. Here we go. And the Kalisto was an image variation. So look at that. We got a Lucha House Party box of image variations. It's like a high flyer box. We got Mustafa Ali. I guess AJ Styles. Maybe not so much now, but he used to be pretty much a high flyer. So, X Division guy. Bronson, he doesn't work here anymore. Nakamura, image variation. Morrison refractor. We got a few packs left. There we go. Tribal Chief. Mustafa Ali refractor. There's Riddick Moss, Madcap Moss. There's Mandy Rose, current NXT Women's Champ. Jeff Hardy. And there's Adam Cole, baby. It doesn't work there anymore. Three packs. There's Kyle O'Reilly. He doesn't work there anymore. Cruiserweight Greats, Jordan Devlin, a.k.a. JD McDonough. Okay. Keith Lee, he doesn't work there anymore. Dakota Kai, she does work there. Keith Lee is an image variation. Some image variation. I don't remember what the other one looked like, but... Alright. So, probably nothing in here. Besides, like, a refractor. Yep. And Kushida refractor. So, there's... that's the break. So, we got all these refractors. Too many to go through. But, let's go through... I'm not going to really go through the inserts. So we got an AJ Styles autograph at a 199, at a 99, Mustafa Ali auto, a green at a 99, Charlie Caruso, and a Nikki Cross at a 150, turquoise or something. And the image variations were Keith Lee, Shinsuke Nakamura, Kalisto, and Lince Dorado. So, yeah, thank you guys for checking out the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.